traded the Can-Am Ryker in for a Honda Grom. I was gonna trade it in on a Kawasaki KLX 300 Supermoto, but that deal did not go through. Ended up going to another dealership and they happened to have the Honda Groms there, and so I just went with that deal. Again, you know, could I have retailed it on my own? Yes, I just didn't feel confident in the Can-Am Ryker as I did with the Spider. The Spider, I retailed it myself because I knew that bike was 100%. The Can-Am Ryker, not so much. So I took the hit on the trade-in value. So like that, I didn't pass it on to somebody personally. Let the dealerships deal with that headache. Upon taking the wheels off, I knew that the Ryker was gonna need brakes, which I did last year and I hated doing. Needed an exhaust. It had an exhaust leak, and the fuel pump, when it was really warm out, it just screamed. So it needed some work to it, and I just didn't want to do no more maintenance. It was a 2019. I was kind of like done working on the Ryker. Had it for 2 years. I think it was time to move on. I have the Grom. I could go ahead and maybe put it up for sale. They'll get a new bike versus an old Can-Am Ryker, and I'll feel better selling a newer bike than such an older bike that I kind of, you know, played around with for 2 years. And if you see the videos, I did ride the hell out of that Can-Am Ryker. So I even took that thing to Jersey. So I think I got my money's worth out of it. Small little bikes, fun. I got over 200 miles already, and I've only been riding around for 2 weeks versus the SV that I've had for a couple months now. It's over 200 miles. It's braking and really nice. I did buy an exhaust for it. I want to do a video of me riding it stock because it's braking and really nice, and the V-twin sounds really good on this bike. So hopefully by next year interest rates go down and I could buy a big boy toy. See by then where we at, maybe get rid of all the bikes and get one nice toy. All right.